What up, homies? Back for another video. As you know, I'm Tuber TV with Dylan and with our dogs again. Okay. This is gonna be our main video. We're playing with our dogs.
Yeah, we're gonna do this a lot because I was just taking Record on a walk, and I just was holding him, and he almost jumped right out of his leash. Like he just jumped, and I'm like, "Come on, Record."
Oh, again? Is it again?
Oh
my God! What are you doing, Charlie?
I am the one on the sun.
Don't need to God nigger.
Respect upon the sheet.
Charlie's really weird.
She did it twice. Like he just did it and then Ryan pulled out the camera. Oh, we should have done this earlier. Now they're bored. Dude, when you were in there getting your phone or your iPod, Ryger just rolled around in the dirt. Now his side of his face is all muddy.
No, you guys, literally, I was about to make a Need for Speed gameplay.
And then I knocked.
No, it always happens to me. I'm like 3, 2, 1, and then you knock on the door. I'm like, who's that? I promise I will do a gameplay later. It's just But you guys, also, I really do need subscribers right now.
Oh, it's happening again.
What the heck? Why, Charlie?
You like it? No, it's gay, right? Don't do that.
Why are you guys so gay? Actually...
You guys are dang.
Yeah, you guys are dank. I accidentally said gay.
Gay? Yeah, it is gay. They're both boys. Riker's not gay. Charlie's done it 3 times today.
Riker's done it once, but Trey was here.
Oh, he did? Riker did it?
Riker did it like once. Or is it doing it again? Are they gonna do
that? I think Charlie's gonna get up there.
I need to find the bathroom. Maybe, I don't know. I'm in my house.
Oh no. I almost fell over. Hey.
My God.
They're brawling. Well.
Welcome to my hood. What happened, man? What happened?
He's coming.
Yes,
This is dank. Oh. Riker with the jump up. WWE matchup.
And also, if you're on W, I have it.
Make sure to watch Hell in a Cell Sunday night.
Is it gonna happen again?
Hell in a Cell, WWE. Go Roman Reigns.
Do you like Seth Rollins?
Seth Rollins is gonna crush Kevin Owens. Kevin Owens is just fat, so he thinks he's good. Dude, Mark Henry is so good.
Dude, I can't wait for Goldberg.
Goldberg played. Oh yeah, never mind. It was Goldust that played tonight. We played Monday night. I'm watching it right now.
If y'all want me to play WWE, just comment in the description below. And you guys, we've hit 14 subscribers. So once we hit 20, we're gonna do something.
Yeah, the ice bucket challenge. But we're not gonna do any water. We're only gonna do ice.
Every 20 subscribers will do something.
Something's dank, like a prank or something. I just need to find some way to go to Dick's Sporting Goods and get an air horn.
Okay, you want to take the camera?
Yeah, I'll take the camera. And the close-up comes in.
Charlie's like, I don't want no damn camera in my face.
And then Riker's just chilling. And then Charlie goes up.
And Riker's like, no.
And then Riker's like, no mercy.
Riker's digging up his treasure. He's gonna run.
Ow. Look how dirty he is.
Oh my god,
How dirty.
So dirty.
You're so dirty. You're fine, Charlie. Charlie looks. So this is Charlie. They see me rolling. They really be hating.
He's like,
That is not the place to lay down, Riker. Now he's gonna get green.
Riker, you're gonna be grass. Oh yeah. Here comes the Brock WWE match. Seth Rollins versus Brock Lesnar.
Dude, Brock Lesnar. Whoa.
What?
Dude, Brock Lesnar is, if he does play Seth Rollins, dude, I need to be there for his Monday Night Triple Threat. Did you watch it? Seth Rollins, Kevin Owens, and
Did you watch Monday Night Raw? I mean,
I'm watching it right now at my house.
did you?
Chris Jericho.
No, Kevin Owens and like.
Don't tell me. Don't spoil it. Dude, Seth Rollins stole the list of Jericho.
I know.
Oh, what a dick.
I know, it's so fun. It's so weird.
Now they're keeping their space. What channel is this going
He's like, what?
What channel is this going on?
My channel.
Tuber TV?
Yes.
Cool.
And you guys, we promise we would do the game.
Remember to subscribe to, like, Tuber TV
Because
or Gaming Productions. He doesn't know what happened to that channel. I may or may not. No, I didn't hack you. Trust me, I did not hack you.
You go on your grandma's computer and then it said, you want to hack it? And you said yes.
No.
And that's good. That was when you had
Dude, Trey, no offense, whoever's watching this, but Trey's like, Dylan, just to be funny, he's like, Dylan, you want to hack Roman Atwood? I'm like, how are we going to do that? I don't know.
Dude, if you hack Roman Atwood and Roman
And if you guys are YouTubers, then,
subscribe.
yeah, subscribe to Tuber TV and Blaze Gaming and Vlogs, because that's my channel, but we always have each other. Like, we're like good YouTuber friends, like Roman Atwood and Foos YouTube or something like that. We're like,
We're gonna world tour together. So yeah, they are. Cause like
they like, I didn't go to one of their shows, but I saw like their show live on YouTube. Not live, but I saw it on YouTube. I think it was like a rap battle, right?
so you guys, so you see our video, just please subscribe.
Yeah. Please don't just go like, oh, this is gay, and then just leave.
Like, please subscribe. Even if you see a video and don't like, just subscribe.
You don't have to like it, just subscribe. And if you guys come on, it won't back up your date or anything. Riker, you suck. Fuck. Oh, watch him out. But, yeah, so subscribe to Tuber TV, Poke Bros and more, and Blaze Gaming and Vlogs. We all share those accounts. This Tuber TV is Ryan's, Blaze Gaming and Vlogs is mine, and Tuber TV is Trey's. Bro, I have the most subscribers.
God, Riker.
Yeah, I know. Close up on the dirt cam. Motherfucker, Riker. You suck. I guess who's gonna be washing him? Me.
And you guys, especially Friday.
Here.
Especially Friday, you'll see a gaming video. Because we always do gaming videos Friday, but this is our first Friday. So, we're gonna, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna go, like,
Skydiving.
probably. You have to be 16 to do that.
I think it's 18. I don't know. Comment what you want us to do for 20 subscribers, okay?
Yeah, just tell us what you guys want us to do and we'll do it. Because
And no, I've seen this in the comments. Or, no, I've seen this in people's comments. I'm not breaking a piece of wood over my head, okay? That would hurt. Oh, gross.
oh my God.
Charlie.
Charlie.
He's gonna piss on me.
I'm gonna go try to wipe some more.
He's not even gonna be allowed inside.
You guys, we're sorry. We're gonna be filming with a camera soon. I'm using my iPhone, but
have a phone?
I mean, my iPod.
Your nose is jacked up, Riker. Hey, Riker.
No fighting. No mas.
No mas, Thomas. Stop it, Riker.
Riker, Charlie's your homie. Riker's like, no more.
Riker almost humped him.
It looks like he's gonna hump him. Yo. You brought me a WWE match right now. Yo.
Looks like Riker's winning. Okay, should we break that up?
Oh crap.
Yeah, I think they're fighting.
No, because one of them rolls on the hill and hits that. That's gonna be
That's
bad.
not gonna feel good. Okay, I'm breaking this up.
They're biting
Wish
each
me
other.
luck, buddy.
Alright, hold my head.
He's a good boy. Hey, stop. Oh, crap.
Hey, guys, come on. I thought you were homies.
Oh, this is not gonna feel good. Oh, shit.
Riker, Charlie, no. Oh my God, is it gonna happen again?
Come here. Go that way. You go that way. They could just be playing, right?
Maybe, I don't know. Is Riker gonna? They're like hugging each other. Like what the?
Oh, it's so cute. No, it's not. I think they're fighting.
No, like
Playing.
who's winning right now?
Probably Riker. But maybe Charlie. It kind of looks like Riker because Riker right now has Charlie pinned. Oh, Charlie took over. I think Riker's winning. Riker's a tough dude. You know he's a chicken. Scale of 1 to 10, I mean, how much do you think this is a fight?
What?
I think this is a fight. I think I'm gonna break it up.
Pop in the description. He thought it was a fight. Okay.
Okay, well, we're done. We're done. Let's stop, okay?
Okay, you guys. We will see you tomorrow.
They're playing now.
We'll see you tomorrow with the gaming video.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye, Tuber TV fans.
Yeah.